As we started selling more clothing online,
we had a question.
What selling platform for clothing is better, eBay or Poshmark?
So we took our months of eBay experience and compared it to our 2 months of Poshmark experience.
And the results are shocking.
What we will be explaining in this video is based on our opinion from our experience.
Please don't hate.
Do you guys hear that? Strange.
Yeah.
Whatever. What's going on, guys? So it's Martin
And Kristina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video. So in today's video, guys, you guys saw the title. We're going to be comparing Poshmark versus eBay for reselling on clothing. So let's just jump right into it. So now that you guys are back from that intro, if you're new to this channel, her name is Kristina, my name is Martin, we're a reselling couple. We've been documenting it all on eBay for 7 months now. So we've been crushing it every single day, been crushing our goals, accomplishing, hitting milestones. So if you want to, you can hit subscribe and follow our journey. But as we said in the intro, today's video is gonna be on eBay versus Poshmark. So we got a couple things in our notebook written down. Kristina's gonna go over them like usual, so let's jump right into it.
So as far as eBay goes, it's obviously a more well-known selling platform. As of right now, they have a lot of cheap and easy ways for you to do promotions, so it's a really good way to promote your clothes.
Yep.
And for Poshmark, it's a newer selling platform, so it's just kind of starting up, but it's a way easier way to list things. They make it a lot more simple to do that, and it's really just a new way and a new take on sharing your own items and getting the exposure, because you yourself actually have to go in and share your own items and share other people's items.
Yeah. So now a benefit for us with both of them is
selling clothing on both of those platforms really does well, and we generally niche down in clothing, so to have your clothing listed on 2 selling platforms for all the exposure, it's just a really smart idea.
Yeah, it's really nice. So that was pretty much just the gist that we could get of both of them. So we did make a pros and cons for eBay and Poshmark, so we're going to be explaining that. But really quick, I know we're in a different location, so we might as well explain to you guys where we're at. We are at my sister's house, and we currently are watering their garden. We have Finn with us, obviously, and yeah, she's on vacation, so we told her we would help her water her plants.
Yes, and tan, because it's a great backyard to tan.
Yeah, so we'll get back into this video. Stop wasting your time.
So for our eBay pros and cons list, this is what we came up with.
So I'll put the pros right here and the cons right here.
So the first pro that we have is actually a lot more people use eBay than Poshmark, so there's a lot more people viewing your items.
Yeah. And then the first con that we got was listings take a lot longer.
Oh yeah, they're a lot more in depth. The second pro that we came up for eBay is that you can run promotions at such low cost and really pick the promotion that you want to use. So you can range it anywhere from 0 to 100%.
The second con that we have is that there's a lot of fees that come out. For example, store, listing, PayPal, eBay, shipping. So all those fees can cut into your profit just a little bit.
And so the third and final pro that we came up for eBay is shipping. The packaging wise, the way your packages look is a lot easier, and you'll see why when we talk about our Poshmark pros and cons.
Yes. And then the last con that we have is creating shipping labels can be pretty tricky in the beginning. So you kind of got to know what you're doing, or you have to look up to see what you should be doing. And now we're going to jump just right into the Poshmark pros and cons.
So the first pro that we came up for Poshmark is it is so easy with shipping. They have a fixed shipping label, right, worked into every single item that the person buys, and you don't have to worry about different rates all over the place. So great, easy shipping labels.
Yeah. The first con is actually what we were talking about in the last pro of eBay, is that the boxes have to pretty much be like pretty packages. Yeah. You have to have like tissue paper, pretty tape, like maybe little stickers that say like thank you and stuff. Yeah. And you have to just like make it look all pretty. So Kristina deals with all of that.
Which I love it. I don't mind it.
Yeah, I don't know. She likes it. A lot of people do like it. Like you can get bad reviews if you don't do that. If you just send it out, without any tissue paper and stuff. So be careful if you are starting, because you do want to make them look like almost like a gift.
Professional, yeah.
Yeah.
very almost as if like it came from the store, like a high-end store. And so the second pro on our list is that Poshmark only has one 20% fee that comes out. A lot of people are like, oh, 20%, but really when you work in
store, listing, PayPal, eBay, shipping.
So when you factor in all of those, it really does add up to be the 20%, if not more than the 20%.
Yeah. Then the last con we have is you have to spend a lot of time sharing your closet. So it's just like a really tedious thing to do every day, and you're supposed to do it at least like 2 times a day, they say, to get good sales. So how many times have you been doing it?
About 4 times a day.
That's crazy.
We have 110 listings.
That's insane.
It's a lot easier on the computer though, if I do have one tip for everybody. And the final pro that we have is that it is so much easier to list. It's fast, easy listing. Genuinely, it could take you probably less than 5 minutes to get up one thing that it would take you about 10 to 15 minutes on eBay. So it's a lot easier.
So those were all our pros and cons in our video about what's better, eBay or Poshmark. So we hope you guys enjoyed, and we hope it benefited you if you are new to this and you are wondering what's better to sell on. We think it is better to list on both because it's more exposure for all of your stuff.
Oh yeah, and it's literally not even time consuming at all. At this point, I have both eBay and Poshmark open in 2 separate tabs, and as I'm listing, I literally just do pics on one, pictures on the other, descriptions on one, descriptions on the other, and so on. And it literally gets done in that same time. And usually you finish the Poshmark listing first because there's such less to do, but yeah, I always have them both open, and it makes it just so much more time efficient now.
So that was pretty much our video. We hope you guys enjoyed. We hope it benefited you. Let us know in the comment section below if you did. Make sure to smash that like button if you liked this video. And excuse our squinty eyes, guys. The sun's really bright. So we're gonna go now. We hope you guys have a great day or night whenever you're watching this. Go crush it. Peace.
Alright, so no, you're good.
So we're gonna walk it. I feel like I'm gonna be too washed out. The voiceover, did you forget about it? I forgot, I think I guess, but we were supposed to be like kind of looking up, you know what?
Yeah, okay.
Actually, I gotta come in from here. Actually, no, because you can't see my shadow. Back at you with another video.
Sorry. I'm pudging out.
I kind of have a lot of shadow on this.
Yeah.
Today's video, guys, we're gonna be comparing. So in today's video, guys, you saw the intro. Then stop. Poshmark versus eBay for
I knew something was happening when Finn started barking.
The second con that we have is that there's a lot of fees that come out. So, for example, store. So we did make a pros and cons for eBay and Poshmark. Listings. We've been documenting it all on eBay for 7 months now.
Wait.
Yeah.
You said we've been documenting on eBay.
It's whatever. PayPal.
So the third and final pro that we came up with for eBay is that shipping wise, the packaging, and so the third and final pro that we came up for eBay.
Then the last con we have is you have to spend a lot of time sharing your closet. So shipping fees.
Oh, I wasn't looking, sorry.
Shipping. So that was our video about the oh shit, my shadow. Can you just lean forward-ish?
Like up here? Like where do you want? Where
I'm gonna be like this. Because I just don't want my head to be like this, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna come back.
I look naked.
Okay. Oh, it's already gone. So that was our video about what's better, so that was our video. So, I don't know. Make sure to smash that like button if you like this video. Leave a comment if you like this video, and oh man.
Excuse our squinty eyes.
Yeah. And you got